a bulldog in a backyard. And when he get back, change me not be changing him. Them a be changing him, change them a be changing him. Oh Lord, old Master Charlie, him have a bulldog in a backyard. And when he get back, change me not be changing him. Them a be changing him, change them a be changing him. When we were youths coming from school, used to go to the village.
Just go out there, go out there for what you want. Go out there for what you need. Go out there for what you want. Go out there for what you need. Life is serious. Life is cantankerous. For everyone have to look for themselves, and every man is for themselves, and God is for us all. So go out there for what you want. Go out there for what you need. Go out there for what you want. Go out there for what you need.
All I need to know is your love for sure. All I need to know, will it be confidential and sure? 'Cause you I adore, and you will be well secured. 'Cause there'll never be another that will bring us pain or sorrow. 'Cause I love you for today and tomorrow, and forever and forever. Oh yes, oh yes. And if loving you is wrong, then surely I don't want to be right. I will need you by my side for every day and night. Oh yes.
Now remember I tell you, all lazy men dead for younger this year. Catch it! Out of his mercy. Shiba! Non stop juggling, non stop juggling, non stop juggling. Shiba! Non stop juggling, non stop juggling, non stop juggling. Shiba! Non stop juggling, non stop juggling, non stop juggling. Shiba! Non stop juggling, non stop juggling, non stop juggling. Come now! Wake up, Oral Bridget. Wake up, Oral. Wake up, Oral Bridget. Wake up, Oral. Sleeping in a bed, baby, hours no good. Sleeping in a bed only make your eye cast. They got them fi move and the cow and grass. That fi sweep up and dirty plate fi wash up. Bridget fi go to school and she have fi stop a class. Every day you talk about you have a bag of friend. Not one of them coulda go help you clean the acting. You coulda even make nice like I forbid. The chicken them in a cover. Then the 50 one month fi buy me this, some month fi buy me that, month fi buy me shirt, some month fi buy me month fi buy me pants.
All I wanna do is keep on loving you. All I wanna do is keep on kissing you.
'Cause you are my love, and you are my baby. There'll never be a day that you will be lonely.
Loving you and kissing you is all I wanna do. Loving you and
I might not let you know. That doesn't mean that I don't feel it. Look at me, can't you see the love I have? Can't you feel the star shine burning? I may not speak a lot about my love, but if you ever doubt my love, really in my heart.
Happy make me happy, make me happy, make a track, yeah. Lord, no. Please me. Well, I'm an happy make a track, yeah. But if they them want contact, Lord, no. When you take a start, just I know. Them they right for me back, Lord God. Well, I just jump a case and the eat it on me. Got to keep treading from dust to dust.
Now this one called the joke song. And when I say joke, I mean hey, hear me now, star. One day a eagle left Jamaica, going to America. When the plane reached 5 miles up in the air, she touched her friend on her shoulder. She say, please open the window for me, because right now me want to spit. Our friend turned to her and say, aeroplane is not like Honda Civic. So if you really want to spit, my friend, go over there where you see the toilet. Now I say you come here in fire the past. Why you say done? Have mercy, Big Tracy. Have mercy, mercy, mercy. The star now sell the Guinea, now sell and daily news. Bankrupt, inquire and mash them up. Inquire and mash them up. Star now sell the Guinea, now sell and daily news. Bankrupt, inquire and mash them up. Inquire and mash them up. Follow me now. Oh no, here where you gone in Jamaica. This a star now sell, neither the clean. And I don't lie, me you tell me now spread no rumor. Not even cost to, not even to the liquor.
Now Sharon Fallon and the foolish advice. Say two trouble better than one. Now Sharon pregnant again. Trouble again. Guess who pregnant again? Again. Trouble again. Tell me who pregnant again? Again. She did bad Sharon. Bad Sharon. Wah Sharon. Wah Sharon. Uno si Sharon. Uno si Sharon pregnant again. Uno si Sharon pregnant.
Now hear this. Now Phantom would like to dedicate this one to our champion Bobby Liner dance. Don't have no use in a bed. Hey, so woman a bubbler in a dance and I got no use in a bed. Bubbler in a dance and I got no use in a. So woman a bubbler in a dance and I got no use in a bed. Bubbler in a dance and I got no use in a. Chairman, you have some girl things that them well dressed. How them a bubble? I got a like a cigarette in the hand when they will up them pull on the bed. The wheel them a bubble. They run anybody when you take them a your yard. That's on they no shake enough for your bed. Lie down there, don't I talk about your heavy lightly. Just because them can bubble in a bed. Well, to own no ears is a to be quiet. So when a bubble in a bed, let's go use in a bed. Bubble in a bed. Man, where you beat up woman. Girl, them call them Conan. Man, where you beat up woman. Girl, them a call them Conan. Girl, I want you all up your one. You know want a Conan. Girl, you fi pine Panaman. Who you know a Conan? Say like I'm a barbarian Conan. But he living on the mountain so long Conan. I walk with the club in a man Conan. I walk with the dagger in a man Conan. Happy woman foot on her hand Conan. Him give her some scare that so long Conan. I just to him now and a son Conan. One of the most jealous it's a man Conan. Say let him just a beat him woman Conan. Just because she a talk to a man Conan. Say him no know devotion. And them way you beat up woman.
Say when me gone,
No by the wayside and when me there. Me brethren me say by the edges when me there do. Lord I seek wanderers to come who may bring them to the Almighty Son. Check Pastor Blair me and him a sit down. We are reason about the sin where ya go long ya long. Instead that means a youth we can bring them come. So this is the Pastor Blair sing and sit down. So bring them all, bring them all. Bring them all to Jesus, and him will turn them sorrows back into joy. Wait, him say, sir, him say, just bring them all, bring them all. Bring them all to Jesus, and he will turn your sorrows back into what kind of sorrows? You hear me?
Now all the girl I know some of my ambition I want to shock out for the one man. Cause big thinking Gregor Peck come out again, man. And the time will come out of this niceness to the girl, Watch it. Hey, hey. Hi, hi, hi. Whoa, yo, yo. But tell the world I know you have enough ambition now. Hi, hi, hi. Whoa, yo, yo. So give me for me woman with enough ambition now. Cause she can work in the store, the factory or bank. Just because she have enough ambition now. And when she walk on the street, them officers she a done. Not true because she have enough ambition now. It's not right, it's not right. You put up in your one, you're not gonna pay fat bottom. It's not right, it's not right. You jump around, you're not gonna get a girl.
You flicked the switch in my life that you never did before. Oh baby, you told me that you were scared, but you keep asking for more of my love.
In the morning time, flick on and on in the afternoon, on and on in the evening too.
Up the stairs and up the ladder, up and top of the roof. Baby love, give me love and very soon.
Love me only while and be by me, forevermore and be irate. Singing out songs of glory. Come down, funky, come sing with me.
Now all Jamaican people and people all over the universe, I wanna hear the original coffee kind every time I come. Original style. Here is the one done, one pants grinds, man. Here is the one done, dirty foot grinds, man. Here is the one done, all the cellar grinds, man. Here is the one done, pot water grinds, man. Follow me now. Coat that make island corn, make a sham sham. Beer and jagana jagana. You hear me? Coat that make island corn, make a sham sham. For certain DJ just good pick up and it me and no consumption. Grinds man kill one. Me kill a next one.
Sort of transport, sort of transport, sort of transport it a mass of my plan. Sort of transport, we want more transportation in the island, pam pam. Go we want more minivan, pam pam. We want more transportation, pam pam. We want more 250,000, pam pam. Go we want more urban, pam pam. Go we want more Mazda van, pam pam. Go we want the Toyota van, pam pam. Bring back the old patty pan, pam pam. Bring back the Penova land.
Now come on the shop. How was Panama? That's what you asked me. But alright. The Panama invasion. Now I got the Panama invasion. So you know it was terrible, 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 terrible. Crowd of people. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Panama was terrible, terrible, terrible. So you know. Hey, Ray, Jugger, another one flower gun. Jump on a pin and go on foreign land. With a intention for caucusation.